In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start a new chat on Claude AI. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. As you can see here, I have a response here from Claude, but I wish to go ahead and start a new chat. However, if you just wish to continue with this thread, you can just continue by asking your question here. But I want to ask a question on a whole new topic, so I'll need to go ahead and start a new chat. And to do that, just go to plus icon here. And as you can see, we have the new chat option. You can also expand this sidebar. If I just tap on this, you can see we have an option to start a new chat here on this expanded sidebar. So if I tap on this, now we have a whole new interface to start a new chat. So proceed and ask any question from here, and I should be able to get your response. So that's how you can start a new chat on Claude AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.